Hello everyone. This is the 5-element bracelet I designed, featuring the elements of water, wood, fire, metal, and earth. The yellow earth bead is placed at the center, surrounded by the other elements. In our fengshui flying star luo shu chart, the number 5 yellow also occupies the central square, which is very significant. The earth element acts as a connector and transformer within the 5 elements. For the water element, we use blue crystals, specifically Amazonite here, but you can also substitute other blue stones like aquamarine or Larimar. Crystals come in various grades. The Amazonite bracelet I have here is of a higher quality with deeper color and greater transparency, which makes it about twice as expensive. However, the difference in effectiveness is minimal, so choose according to your budgets. The wood element is represented by green crystals. I use aventurine, but green phantom quartz, green fluorite, or green rutilated quartz are also good options. For fire, we selected carnelian, though any red crystal can be used as a substitute. As for metal, I chose gold obsidian, but golden rutilated quartz works well too. In 5-element theory, metal can also be symbolized by white, so white crystals are another option. Now, let me explain the principle of mutual generation and restraint among the 5 elements. Water generates wood, wood generates fire, fire generates earth, earth generates metal, and metal generates water. This cycle is fundamental. Imagine it like an electrical circuit. If the order is disrupted, the energy cannot flow. Simply matching colors or crystal without maintaining this cyclical order will prevent energy from circulating, turning your bracelet into just a decorative piece. Regarding how to wear the bracelet, wear it on your left wrist and follow the Earth's natural rotation counterclockwise in the Northern Hemisphere based on the Coriolis effect and the Earth's rotation from west to east. This means arranging the elements in a counterclockwise sequence to align with that flow. If you are in the Southern Hemisphere, such as Australia or South America, reverse the order and wear the bracelet clockwise. With all 5 elements present, this bracelet provides balanced energy, which is especially helpful for those unfamiliar with Chinese horoscope or BaZi calculations and unsure of which elements they lack. Think of it like taking a multivitamin. Your body absorbs what it needs and disregards the excess. At this stage, wearing the bracelet helps harmonize your 5-element balance. But to experience more profound benefits, such as improvements in health, career, wealth, or relationships, the crystals need to be programmed with specific information. Crystals can absorb, store, and emit energy, and recent scientific discoveries show they can hold information. We will explain how to infuse crystals with information in a future video.